the STEM or the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand. One of my favorite students, a future robotics programmer because he is very good in programming, Mr. Jared Lanya.
Good morning to everyone, to the teachers, to my fellow students, and to the different agencies before us. Like Jordan said, I am Jared Elanya, the representative of the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand. And on its behalf, we would like to express our utmost gratitude to all of the agencies who received and taught the students of Quirino General High School in their immersion. Throughout the immersion, I'm sure we had different experiences. But one thing is for sure, it was tiring, fun, and most of all, it was fulfilling. Sa totoo lang po, sa umpisa, iniisip ko lang, gagawin ko lang immersion para lang sa grade. Kasi nga po may papas po kaming parang booklet lang siya na report on immersion. So iniisip ko lang, gagawin ko lang siya para dun sa booklet para magka-grade lang ako. Pero tumagal po, na-enjoy ko na siya. Na-enjoy ko po siya kasi ang dami ko pong natutunan na alam kong magagamit ko in the future. So let's talk about my most memorable experience po sa immersion. Of course, with my friend Charles Patrick Argamino, shout out. So for context po, I had my immersion for Provincial Engineering Office. Shout out po Mr. Henry. Siya po yung nagturo sa akin ng drafting, drawing po. Akala ko po noon na sobrang dali lang nun eh. Grabe, ang dami mo pa nang gagamitin. Ruler, T-square, ano yun? Meron pa pong triangle. Bumili pa po ako ng technical pen kasi akala ko gagamitin, sabi niya lang po. Mongol 2 pencil mo na gamitin mo. Grabe naman si sir, sayang yung pera ko. Pero alam ko naman po magagamit ko yun sa future ko. Kaya worth it pa din po na binili ko siya. Tama po yun, remembrance. Meron po kasi kaming activity dun sa Provincial Engineering Office where we had to use a surveying device. Nung nilabas po yung surveying device, ang una pong sinabi sa akin, 250,000 yan, huwag niyong sisirain. Kung masira niya, tagi 11,000. Grabe po, no? Mag-immersion ka lang, 11,000 pa? Of course, all of us were shocked because they allowed us to use such a precious item. Naging long time joke po yun sa aming agency. Gagamitin po namin yung surveying device. Uy, baka may 11,000 tayo dyan, ingatan mo. But as the immersion progressed, we became more confident in handling the device. Sure po ako na lahat ng students po ng General School ay nagkaroon ng ganitong experiences po. Gaya po ng aking kaibigan, Jan Jubileno, tumayo ka naman. So this friend of mine had this immersion in QSU Research, QSU Tipun Research Laboratory po. He is actually striving for an information technology course, but he engaged in different research laboratory activities in his immersion, including a free-range chicken project. So nung nag-immersion po kami is, kada lunchtime, tumatawag po siya sa akin. Tapos nag-uusap po kami. Tapos napunta po kami sa topic ng immersion. Kamusta yung immersion mo, boy? Sabi ko po sa kanya. Sabi niya sa akin, grabe boy, ang layo ng ginagawa ng immersion ko sa course ko. Magka-IT, pero nag-aalaga ng manok. Grabe po, no? Ang layo. Pero nung sa last po, sabi niya po sa akin, sobrang saya pa din, boy. Grabe po, sobrang saya niya pa din kahit nag-aalaga lang siya ng manok. It's the same thing po for immersants na nagpunta sa Department of Public Works and Highways. Sabi po sa nila sa akin, their most memorable experience was dealing in the Quality Assurance Department where they had to make concrete samples. Sabi din po nila sa akin, sobrang saya din po ng experience na nila. as we can see, the word fun was very prevalent with other students who had their immersion in different agency. Kahit most of them po ay gumawa lang ng paperworks. Imagine niyo po yan, nagpunta ka ng immersion kasi akala mo mag-field ka tapos paperworks lang pala, no? Pero nag-field naman daw po sila, isang beses na lang. So, along with the fun and enjoyment po ng immersion, meron din pong exhaustion. Actively doing something for a long period of time really takes a toll on your body. So much so that some of us took a nap on the very first day of immersion. Unang araw pa lang po yun, pagod na pagod ka na. Paano pa po kapag 10 days straight? Di wala na. Pero kinaya pa rin po namin. With the help of our mga napakabuting mentors po, na kahit nakatulog ka na is mabait pa rin sa'yo. So after the immersion, I came across a Chinese proverb that says, "Learning is so beautiful because no one can take it from you." But I realized, yes, learning can be taken, but it can be shared. Which is why, as the student, let me rephrase that, which is why the whole Quirino General High School is thankful for all the agencies who did just that. Even though it was extra work for them, even though it was tiring for them, and even though they were so busy, they still made sure that we would fully experience the immersion. To all of the agencies that accommodated us, thank you for treating us with kindness even though we made mistakes. Thank you for trusting us, and thank you for your patience in teaching us different things. Truly, the different agencies will be remembered by us for the things that they did. That is all. Once again, thank you to all of you.